great series that's ending after finally a year after the last part. This is Airplane 4. One last flight. Let's join with the other players. We're doing our last flight of Airplane 4. Airplane series. Finally ending it after so long. Let's see how many attempts this takes us to finish. Dad, we got Dad up in here. Wakey wakey, eggs and bacon. I hate eggs. What? Don't tell me you forgot. Forgot what? What did we forget? Today is the big day. Big day of what? Let me remind you. We are flying to the Bahamas. Get down here. The Bahamas. Didn't know the Bahamas existed. Can I jump up? I can't jump up the railing. Oh my, none of you have done your luggage. We were supposed to do that. Why is there so empty luggage? I can't believe you forgot. That's it. Whoever doesn't Dad, I'm pretty sure that's not how this works at all. I'll start making burgers for breakfast. Oh, okay. I'm not gonna question it. Not gonna question it. We want to go on trip. What are we gonna do? Grab as much clothes as we can. I don't even remember where my clothes are. How do you not remember where your clothes are? Okay, so do we have 40 seconds to explore the house and see where everything is, and then we'll start packing. Great idea. It's an airplane shirt. I really didn't think when we started the series of like, oh, it's gonna be 4 episodes, it's not gonna take us too long to finish. I really didn't think it'd actually take like a year hiatus right after 3 was posted. And now we're finally on 4. Like 4's been out for a while. And like, I could have done this at any point, and I just left it on a hiatus. But I'm glad to be back. A lot of these videos will be pre-recorded and all that, so I can do schooling and work still. But it's glad to be back with you guys, talking and just chatting up a storm. And just having fun. I probably have said this in almost every single video so far that I've recorded. But I honestly love recording and just having fun. Oh, we got the one item. Is that the only item we need? We only need a shirt, guys. Crew story I want to do somewhat. I know I have a few planned out that I'm going to do. I really want to do crew story as one of them as well. Because crew story sounds like a fun story as well. And I love doing story videos because then it gives me something to do at least. Like, it gives me an objective. I gotta complete those objectives to like actually live in the game, I guess. And it's like, it's just fun to do. It's a fun adventure. We get to go on a spooky story, and we get to just have fun. So yeah, I'm gonna be planning a lot more story videos to do. I know we have an adoption story one next, I think, and that's a 2-parter. And then we have Roblox Road Trip, and I might do Cruise at some point in there as well. And then we also have Roblox Red Riding Hood coming up at some point as well. So So it's just gonna be a lot of fun flipping flopping with all those. It's in the other room, isn't it? But yeah, we got a lot planned for the channel. I'm gonna have a lot of fun recording and editing all of these. They're all gonna be hopefully out perfectly on time since they're already pre-recorded and pre-edited probably long before the date they're gonna be posted. So I started actually planning this out. It's gonna be like the end of July when I actually start planning all this out. But the first video should be posting around the end of August, like right when I go back to school. So it's kind of just gonna be like that. And here are burgers for breakfast. Since I'm chatting through like the beginning of this. Yeah, I have a lot planned for the channel, and I can probably explain this in another cast video. Because I'm gonna be swapping off and doing cast videos like I was talking about before I left on hiatus. But I am gonna do a lot of like swapping between different things in these. Like I'm bringing on 2 new Sims series and all that. That'll flop out with my Not So Berry and my Disney Orphanage. These Roblox videos will be swapping out with Art and Sims 4 cast videos now. Art might be a lot less because Art takes me a lot longer to make. And like it'll take like, they might be like specials. I might turn them into like special, it'll be a special Monday video or something like that. I'll figure it out once I get fully into it. But that might be how it is, and like cast videos will switch out with these ones every once in a while if we're not doing a full series with it. Like we're not doing a 4-1 like this one had. But yeah, we'll figure out this channel all together and figure out how to do everything on time while still doing school and work and all that. Because I want to make sure the best content goes out to all y'all and figure out how to perfectly do this to where I can do everything without getting too overwhelm myself. Well, let's get into the story. Since I've been chatting this whole intro. Hello everyone, and I didn't get to read that. Oh, it's the radio. Yes, we would never guess that, Father. Earlier this month. How do I listen to the radio? Whoa, can you imagine? Saving a plane? Been there, done that. However, the president said in confidence, as we land, the suspect somehow disappeared. That said landed, not land. I didn't put the ED at the end. I can spell. The police warned everyone in Robloxia to be careful and report anything. I can't read fast enough. How could someone possibly escape from something like that? We can name many villains that have done that before. In this series a lot. We're running late to our flight. Of course we are. What are we next? Home Alone? Unless, follow me. What are we unlessing? Hold on. Where's that? There's that. Oh, he's gonna walk around the pool. We jumped through it. Dad takes forever to walk. It takes so long. Oh, another one. Sorry, it just popped in my head. Another one I want to do is aquarium. And that one's coming soon too. Because I want to do that one. I love a lot of these. And they're just all going to be amazing to do. Sorry to diverge from the story, but I love that. The garage. Wait for it. Yep. Oh, I forgot forgot about the mini play. Oh, I'm gonna fail at this. I'm so gonna fail at this. I can't try for nothing. This might take us a few attempts. Why can't we just fly at least to the Bahamas? Not Bahamas, Rohamas. Why can't we just fly to the Rohamas? No, we can't. Is it safe? Is this safe? The parents in these series has the weirdest ideas sometimes. Not as bad as any of the other parents in our most series, especially our Sims series, but they have interesting ideas. All I'm saying. I'll see you guys in the other side. We're all gonna die. We don't even know how to fly. He's gonna get us murdered. Just saying it now. We're murdered. We got obstacles too. How are we gonna do this? Ooh, I don't like this at all. Oh, I've already hit something. I don't like this. Can I steer with these? Oh, okay. I might go a bit silent for this, just to figure out how to do it. Ooh, I don't like this. Oh, can I do it? Can I do it? I don't like this. This is too stressful. I don't like this at all. That so got me stressed out. No, that was awful. Wait for everyone to finish. Y'all got like major health damage on that one. That was so bad. Why do I feel like most of the story is gonna be like that? It's gonna be like kid hijinks of what we did in like the first 3 parts. And if you haven't checked out my first 3 parts of playing this, they were all posted about a year ago. And are amazing. Probably a lot better quality than now. Because, I don't know. I just want to give props to my past self for doing YouTube as hardcore as she did back then. Go old me. We're following Dad again. Why is my mouse acting weird? There we go. The airport now. Watch for crossing the road. Are we gonna get run over? Oh, I don't like Crossy Road. Crossy Road who? I swear we're about to play Crossy Road here. I'm running before Crossy Road runs me over. That was close. No. Your kid just got run over. That was not close. Jeez, that kid just straight up got run over. Attention everyone. Flight 616 to Rohamas is leaving in 5 minutes. Why is that? Okay, it's airport crew. That's our flight. No, duh. I would have never guessed. It's not even on there. Okay. Oh, we gotta drop the baggage off here. Okay. There we go. I did. I did drop my baggage off. What do you mean? I dropped my baggage. It's glitching. I don't like this. It's glitching. I did. No. I'm gonna die, and it's the first time. No, we're gonna have to restart just because of this. Okay, so we're gonna restart and get back to this point then, probably. I can't reset. No. Wait, we're gonna see if it's just like a glitch. And see if it like teleports us to the next objection. Not objection. Next activity thing. I can't find words right now. Let's go to the metal detectors. Okay, will it take us with them? Because there's 3 of us here that are glitched for. But I don't have anything on me other than this one. These Our dad has weapons in an airport. What is going on? Okay, it teleported us. Yes, we don't have to start over. Okay, that's good. Oh no. I don't like how that sounds. What sounds? What happened? What just happened? The TSA is after us. You're gonna have to come with us. Why are y'all scary? Got no mouse. Hold up, none of them have mouse. Is there a problem, officer? Yeah, you just said you had weapons in an airport. Oh, our flight just left. Don't mind the ticket and baggage in my hand. It got stuck, glitch there. Oh, what's that? That's a big problem. Last one. My plan is finally complete. Is it really? Normally we stop here kind of people. We've done it 3 times now. Ooh, he's staring at us. Are you enjoying the show, humans? Not really. And I don't know how to say your name. Seldkonks? Your world will soon be property of the undead. First, I used angry humans to help me build an army. But now I can take over the world by myself. Don't know why I think that voice fits, but I think it does. Don't worry, you'll all be part of my army too. See you in the afterlife. Mwah. That voice is now going to be Skeletalk's voice the whole time. Oh, I almost elbowed something on my nose. I really can't pick up this bag. Because the bag in my... What is going on? Look, the cops are back. Oh, those... They don't look right. I don't think those cops are friendly. No. I wouldn't have thought that anyway. Find a weapon. I have a ticket. Oh, let me put down my ticket. No. I don't like this. Nope, my house is so down. No, I died. We're gonna retry that. So I'm gonna go quiet and try and get back to that part again just to quickly speed up this process. Alrighty, we're back. We're back at this scene. It's about to turn into the other one, I think. And yes, my baggage is still stuck in my hand. For some reason. I don't know why. I don't know why it's stuck. It just is. I can't get it out of my hand. Look, the cops are back. I think I've read this one. Yep. Come on, come on, come on. We did it. That was horrible. We gotta find a way to exit this place. I don't know what I see of my character. Look, there is a vent. There's a million vents. What do you mean? I don't know how to get up there. Oh. Oh, we got there. We did it. Look, guys, we found an open vent. So convenient. An open vent right where we need to escape to. That's what we go for. Wait, where's Dad? You're still down there. Why are you down? No. You need to keep going without me. Oh no, it's just us, guys. It's just us. What do we do now? I have to do something. First, let's get out of this place before more monsters come. Escape the zombies through the roof. How do I get up there? No, 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 no. We're supposed to fall. Oh, I keep falling. Like this. Don't keep falling. Keep hitting the bag up there. Annoying. I can't tell if these bags are actually doing damage or just tripping me. Did it. We got a general punch. It looks like I'm late to the party. I'm pretty sure he was in another one of the games. Who even are you? We should know him. I'm pretty sure Poncho was in another game. The extra. Oh, he was. Oh, he was in 2, I think. He was in 2. I heard from the news that you're not supposed to be dead. I've been trying to stop this strange creature for years. So the world's been dependent on me. I had to fake my death. We are the only ones left. We have to find and destroy Skeletox before the bad energy consumes us. We need to do this for our dad. It is time to be heroes then. Follow me. Can I put down my luggage? I'm still holding. I love that they bring characters back like General Poncho. I love that. That way, what way? Poncho, explain. What's that? I'm hoping there's not a boss battle. My health is so low right now. Low mystery? Question mark over here. Be careful. This guy might be infected. Wait, why does he seem familiar? Who is it? Dun dun dun. Hello, General. Remember me? Is it Ronald from the second one as well? No way, you're supposed to be dead. Everyone's supposed to be dead, apparently. I guess we're both supposed to be dead. But here we are. That made my curse become weaker. Only way I can completely be free is by killing Skeletox. I still don't trust you. You could be lying to us. You are not going to be part of this mission. I'm still gonna do it, General. Who's coming with me? Do we side with Ronald or General Poncho? There's no way my team is going with you. I don't know, we've teamed up with Ronald before. Can I put this back down? Oh, who do we want to follow? I trust General Poncho. I'm going with Poncho, guys. Hopefully this is a good ending. We choose to go with General Poncho. If he turns out to be evil, stay out the way, Ronald, or we are saving the world. Or we'll save the world. What? I said or we'll save the world. Not or we'll save the world. We're saving it no matter what. This place is where all the evil energy is coming from. What is that noise? A bunch of Robloxians. Oh no. They found us. Quick, go inside the cave. I'm going. We need to lose them. Oh, it's a maze. It's a maze. I'm gonna die on my first turn. Nope, nope, nope. Haven't tried this way yet. Oh, are the airplanes leading me the right way? I don't like how the ground is shaking. I'm trusting the airplanes. The glowing airplanes will lead me to success. This is so stressful. I don't want this. I misturned at the beginning of my devil. I made it. I made it. I did it. What is this place? It looks like an evil altar. Altitude? I almost said altitude. Someone must have summoned Skeletox. I can read today. This is a glowing plane. Looks like an offering. Why is it a glowing plane? Oh. Oh, okay. Just threw us down here, did you? What is this place? Probably Skeletox's home. Just a guess. Look up there. Look up where. You never. Oh, Ronald, you were right, General. Why were we right? How were we right? What's going on? I'm confusion. Who's this? Oh my. Pilot Kelly. Pilot Kelly was in the first one. Memories. Memory lane right here. Jack. He's from the cruise. Oh, we definitely playing that one. At some point, guys. We find the cruise one. Jack's gonna be our friend. We have to help them. Get out of here, General. It's a trap. Oh no, I couldn't tell that. It's too late. The Skeletox is here. Oh, now I'm feeling that sword is important. Can I touch it? Oh, I can touch it. I have harvested souls to have my full power. Oh no, you harvesting souls over here. Why do you think I go after planes? These ways to get souls together. Scared for their lives. Boom, boom, boom. I just used Ronald because I did not have enough power to do it to myself. But now I do. Get ready to be harvested too. Oh no, why do I feeling this bad ending? Oh my. Stab his hand. Oh, Poncho, help me. Poncho, help me. Come on, I can't hit anything on him. Oh, that was a bad idea. Bad idea. No, not doing this today. No way to ever heal my health or anything. I'm not even fast enough to ride. Don't hit me. I'm gonna destroy him. I can't figure out. No. I'm not redoing that. Oh my goodness. Oh, that was. Oh. Well, guys, Skeletox rules. I'm joking. I'm gonna figure out what the other ending is. Hold on. We're gonna figure out what the other ending is so we can just see what the other ending is. Alright, I'm looking through for a walkthrough so I can see the ending. I'm guessing we defeat Skeletox in the end. Hold on, we can read the plot synopsis. You go through the I can't read when it's moving. Plot. Ending. You go through the same maze. When you get to the altar, its eyes start glowing. The scene fades white, and then you are taken back to flashbacks. Oh, okay. So he dies, and the players are then seen on a stage with Jack, Pilot Kelly, Ronald, and Pancho, while President Ronald makes a speech congratulating them. The dad then reappears and greets Pilot Kelly, who reveals she's actually the player's mother. We have a mom, it's Pilot Kelly. That's cute. Okay, I'm glad I'm reading this. When the players turn around, Pancho has disappeared and the game ends with Ronald saying, "Great job." Saying that General Pancho will be saving the world wherever he is. Wherever he is. And then if we followed Ronald, we'd have a different one with a different ending. When you go through the same maze that we just went through, when you get to the altar, its eyes start glowing. The screen fades white, then you are taken back to a flashback of Ronald's parents dying. The doctor says the crash was too strong, and I doubt they will make it. I give you a chance to say goodbye. Skeletox then reappears, striking a deal with Ronald. He agrees to revive Ronald's parents if Ronald crashes the plane and takes the passenger souls with him. Otherwise, Otherwise, Skeletox takes Ronald's soul. Ronald agrees, and he says, "This is for you, Mom and Dad." This leads to Airplane 3. So I like the different endings. I know we didn't get to really see them, but I'm glad that we get like these plot twists of like Pilot Kelly being the player's mom, or we get to see what led to Airplane 3. I know I didn't finish the endings that I normally do, but I've been trying to record the ending of this for a while now. It's 4 a.m. for me, and it's just a lot to do right now. So I'm glad I got to read that synopsis. I want to see if I can find a clip of the endings. I'll full walk through. Okay. This walkthrough, like this scene that we would have gotten. So it's still President Ronald Trump. We also got another Ronald. I know Dad would be proud. Wait, no way. Hello, Doug. I did miss you. Oh, okay. So I might leave a clip of this in right now, just so we can see like the ending of this one, kind of show what really happens, what we would have gotten if I didn't die in that battle. I'll probably leave a clip of that one at least to show what ending we would have gotten on all that. Just to kind of show what ending we could have had if that boss battle did not take the little health I had left. Besides that, guys, I will see you all in my next video. I hope you all have a good night or good day, depending on what time it is for you and where you are. Bye-bye, guys.